Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the time you spend on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. You go to the settings and the privacy section, and in the how you use Instagram section, click to the second option, the time spent. Here you can check your time on the Instagram, and you can set reminder to take breaks. You can set daily time limit, and you can set different notifications about the time. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.